Hello everyone. I guess I was a little misleading on my last video that I made, so I wanted to kind of show you I actually hit the target holder more than 10 times at 100 yards. Actually, I shot 30 rounds at the 100-yard, trying to get a zero, and we'll count them up and we'll just see how many times I hit it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. There's 11. And then counting 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And I'm sure that one of those might have been hit twice. But actually, I did get all 30 of the ones that I fired at 100 yards. I did hit the target. And just not the piece of, but the actual target is a piece of typing paper in the middle of my target holder. I didn't want to mislead anyone. But anyway, thanks for watching.